Sorry, technical difficulty. My my hand touched the home button. Anyway, as I was saying, this whole angle here, 90 degrees. So because it's 90 degrees, we could just do a little bit of subtraction. And we'll find, let's see. Oh my goodness, there's a whole bunch of stuff that I've shown. So we know these are vertical angles. We know angle 2 is 90 degrees because it's a right angle. We know angle 3 is 54 because it's complementary. So with just some simple, right? And there's a few different ways we could have figured it out, right? We could have figured this one out first. That would have been 54. Then we could have realized that this, because it's a right angle, is 90 degrees. And then 1, 2, and 3 together, rather angles 1, 2, and 3 together, were 180. So we could have subtracted, boom, 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 and ended up with 36 degrees. A few different ways that you could go about it. Again, if there are questions, please feel free to ask. Okay, final ones that we're going through. I know this is a long video. Parallel lines. Parallel lines, they have to be in the same plane. Remember, we talked about planes yesterday. So it's like they'd have to be on your same piece of paper or on your desk or on the wall right here, right? Parallel lines are in the same plane, but they do not intersect. And this symbol, right, we've seen this before, is that they're parallel. So for example, a line AB and line CD are parallel. So what I've got here is this whole thing. You might need to know how to draw line AB, line CD with a transversal. A transversal, it just cuts parallel lines. And it's EF because it goes through these points. Again, transversal cuts through two parallel lines. Now, I've got a bunch of different angles here. And some of these angles represented create corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent, and they correspond with similar angles on another parallel line. So for example, angles 1 and 5 corresponding, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 3 and 7. All of these are corresponding angles. They are equal to each other. So again, if I know the measure of this guy, of angle 2, I know angle 3 is vertical, angle 1 is supplementary, and so is angle 4. And angle 6 is corresponding. And if I know angle 6, I could find these other guys real quick. So because of that, all you need is one angle, given that these two lines are parallel with the transversal. And as soon as you have that, boom, you could figure out all 8 right away. Okay? That type of information is going to be helpful on homework quizzes and tests. Hope you guys understand. Again, if you have any questions, comments, please ask. I will come back later with a video about the quiz. Love you guys. Bye.